Left leads to... McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back. Excellent! We're always happy to help. There's nothing left. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! That was off the rails! You've opened... Lights out! Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Where to now? Left leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. I love that. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on. Great! That's perfect! We all love your train. There's nothing... Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the road. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Good job! Just spin the wheel to rotate. Good job! Thanks for helping out! You've opened...